Hi, this is a very short video about quantitative measurements and quantitative calculations and whether or not they are scalar or vector quantities. So these calculations and these measurements can be grouped into these two separate types, and scalar quantities have magnitude only, magnitude being a size or extent or a dimension, and vector quantities have magnitude plus direction to them. In this case, direction is defined as an angle measurement from a reference line. In general, it's from a horizontal reference line. So we're talking about an angle measurement that can be from due east, an angle measurement that can be from due north. Let's give you some examples to make it a little bit more clear. For instance, a scalar measurement that you know very well is distance. It can be in feet, it can be in meters. Time has a dimension without a direction. We're not talking about going back in time or going forward in time. Remember, a direction is a measurement of an angle off of a reference plane. Okay, so time is a scalar quantity, and speed, as in a speedometer in your car, feet per second, miles per hour, is a scalar quantity. Contrast that with vector quantities, which have magnitude and direction. An example of that versus distance is displacement. Displacement is distance moved in a direction. Distance moved north, distance moved south, west, east. That's displacement. You can get displacement from air pressure. Air pressure is a force that can displace balloons. Air pressure is a force that can displace tree limbs. So displacement is a vector quantity. In addition, velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is feet per second or miles per hour with a direction to the north, to the south, to the east, to the west. That is velocity. Velocity is different from speed. Important things that we'll get into, especially with wind speed. So maybe we should be calling it, or that's why we say wind speed and direction, because we're giving them as separate scalar measures of wind speed and direction separately. We're not giving wind speed direction as a vector. And we'll get into that a little bit more specifically. But I hope this helped you out. Talk to you soon.